Are you tired of constantly worrying about money? Ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, I'm going to show you how to say goodbye to financial stress and hello to financial freedom. Stay tuned and transform your financial life. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our tips and strategies for achieving financial freedom. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Say goodbye to financial stress and hello to financial freedom. Stop living paycheck to paycheck today. Do you dream of financial freedom? Let's start your journey today. Welcome to Step 1 of our 10-step path to financial freedom. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation of achieving success. Without a clear vision, you'll be wandering aimlessly, wasting time and money. So, let's get started. First, define what financial freedom means to you. Is it paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or retiring early? Write down your vision in simple, clear language. Next, make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart. For example, I want to save $10,000 in the next 12 months for a down payment on a house. Tips and tricks. Write your goals down and put them somewhere visible. Make your goals challenging but achievable. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Create a vision board to visualize your success. That's it for Step 1. By setting clear financial goals, you'll be focused, motivated, and ready to take control of your finances. Step 2. Track your spending. Do you know where your money is going? Are you leaking cash without even realizing it? Let's plug the holes and take control of your finances. Welcome to Step 2 of our 10-step path to financial freedom. Tracking your spending is crucial to understanding where your money is going and identifying areas for improvement. It's time to shine a light on your spending habits. Start by gathering all your receipts, bank statements, and credit card bills. Yes, it might be painful, but it's essential to face the truth. Write down every single transaction, no matter how small, in a notebook or use an app like Mint or Personal Capital. Next, categorize your spending into needs, housing, food, utilities, and wants, entertainment, hobbies, travel. Be honest with yourself. Are you spending too much on non-essentials? Tips and tricks. Use the 50/30/20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Set up automatic expense tracking with your bank or credit card. Identify areas for reduction, like cutting back on dining out or canceling subscription services. Use cash instead of credit cards to stick to your budget. That's it for Step 2. By tracking your spending, you'll be empowered to make changes and optimize your finances. Step 3. Create a budget that works. Want to know the secret to making your money work for you? It starts with a budget that actually works. Let's get started. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're talking about Step 3, create a budget that works. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you get from where you are to where you want to go. First, let's talk about the 50/30/20 rule. This is a simple guideline to help you allocate your income. 50% goes towards necessities like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending like entertainment, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Next, let's prioritize your goals. What's most important to you? Paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase? Make sure your budget reflects your priorities. Tips and tricks. Use a budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital to track your spending. Set financial goals and prioritize them. Automate your savings and bill payments. Review and adjust your budget regularly. That's it for Step 3. By creating a budget that works, you'll be in control of your finances and on track to achieving your goals. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Are you tired of being held back by high-interest debt? It's time to break free and take control of your finances. Let's pay off that debt and start building wealth. Welcome to Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. This is a crucial step in achieving financial freedom. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can hold you back from reaching your goals. But with a solid plan, you can eliminate it and start building wealth. First, let's identify the debt that's holding you back. Make a list of all your high-interest debts, including credit cards, personal loans, and other debts with high interest rates. Next, prioritize your debts by focusing on the ones with the highest interest rates. This will save you the most money in interest over time. Tips and tricks. Pay more than the minimum payment. Consider a debt consolidation loan. Cut expenses and allocate more funds to debt repayment. Use the snowball method or avalanche method to stay motivated. That's it for step 4. By paying off high-interest debt, you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. Remember, every dollar you pay towards debt is a dollar you're not paying in interest. Keep going. You got this. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, but your finances don't have to be. Build an emergency fund and stay prepared for whatever comes your way. Welcome to Step 5. Build an emergency fund. This is a crucial step in achieving financial stability and peace of mind. An emergency fund is like having a safety net. It helps you avoid debt and financial stress when unexpected events happen. First, let's calculate how much you need to save. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses, including essential bills like rent, utilities, and food. Next, choose a high-yield savings account or a liquid fund to store your emergency fund. This will keep your money accessible and earning interest. Tips and tricks. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Automate your savings with a monthly transfer. Consider a separate account for your emergency fund. Review and adjust your fund as your expenses change. That's it for Step 5. By building an emergency fund, you'll be prepared for life's unexpected events and avoid financial stress. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Start building your safety net today. Step 6. Invest for the future. Want to grow your wealth and secure your financial future? It's time to start investing. Let's explore the world of smart investing and build a brighter tomorrow. Welcome to Step 6. Invest for the future. This is where the magic happens, turning your hard-earned money into long-term wealth. Investing can seem intimidating, but with a solid understanding, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. First, let's talk about the power of compound interest. This is where your money grows exponentially over time, thanks to the magic of interest on interest. Next, let's explore popular investment options like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Each has its own benefits and risks, so it's essential to understand what works best for you. Tips and tricks. Start early to maximize compound interest. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Set clear financial goals and invest accordingly. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. That's it for Step 6. By investing for the future, you'll be building a safety net and securing your financial freedom. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Be patient, stay informed, and watch your wealth grow. Step 7. Max out tax-advantaged accounts. Want to save for retirement and reduce your tax bill? Let's max out tax-advantaged accounts and build a comfortable future. Welcome to Step 7. Max out tax-advantaged accounts. This is a crucial step in building a secure retirement and minimizing taxes. By utilizing accounts like 401k, IRA, and others, you'll be saving for your future while reducing your tax liability. First, let's understand the benefits of tax-advantaged accounts. Contributions are tax-deductible, and growth is tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until withdrawal. Next, let's explore popular tax-advantaged accounts. 401k and employer-matched accounts, IRA and Roth IRA, annuities and tax-efficient investments. Tips and tricks. Contribute as much as possible, especially if your employer matches. Consider automating your contributions. Review and adjust your accounts regularly. Consult a financial advisor for personalized guidance. That's it for Step 7. By maxing out tax-advantaged accounts, you'll be building a comfortable retirement and reducing your tax bill. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Start maximizing your accounts today. Step 8. develop multiple income streams. Want to break free from financial stress and build a safety net? Let's diversify your income streams and create a secure financial future. Welcome to Step 8. Develop multiple income streams. This is a crucial step in reducing financial risk and building long-term wealth. By diversifying your income sources, you'll be better prepared for unexpected events and financial shocks. First, let's understand why multiple income streams are important. Having only one source of income can be risky, as job loss or financial downturns can impact your entire financial stability. Next, let's explore popular income streams. Salary or wages, investments, dividends, interest, capital gains, self-employment or side hustles, rent or real estate income, royalties or intellectual property. Tips and tricks. Start small and gradually build additional income streams. Diversify across different industries and asset classes. Consider passive income streams for long-term wealth. Review and adjust your income streams regularly. That's it for Step 8. By developing multiple income streams, you'll be reducing financial risk and building a secure financial future. Remember, every additional income stream is a step closer to financial freedom. Start diversifying today. Step 9. Invest in yourself. Want to boost your earning potential and stay ahead of the game? Invest in yourself and unlock your full potential. Welcome to Step 9. Invest in yourself. This is a crucial step in achieving long-term financial success. By continuously learning new skills and improving your knowledge, you'll be increasing your earning potential and staying competitive in the job market. First, let's understand why investing in yourself is important. The job market is constantly changing, and new skills are in high demand. By upskilling, you'll be future-proofing your career and increasing your value to employers. Next, let's explore popular ways to invest in yourself. Online courses and certifications, books and audiobooks, workshops and conferences, mentorship and coaching, networking and building relationships, tips and tricks. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Set clear goals and priorities. Start small and gradually build new skills. Practice consistently and apply new knowledge. Seek feedback and adjust your approach. That's it for Step 9. By investing in yourself, you'll be unlocking your full potential and boosting your earning potential. Remember, every new skill and piece of knowledge is a step closer to financial freedom. Start investing in yourself today. Step 10. Stay disciplined and patient. Want to achieve financial freedom and avoid financial pitfalls? Stay disciplined and patient, and let your long-term goals be your guide. Welcome to Step 10. Stay disciplined and patient. This is the final step in our 10-step journey to financial freedom. By staying committed to your long-term goals and avoiding get-rich-quick schemes, you'll be ensuring your financial success and building a secure future. First, let's understand why discipline and patience are crucial. Building wealth takes time and effort, and getting distracted by quick fixes can lead to financial ruin. Next, let's explore tips and tricks to stay disciplined and patient. Set clear goals and priorities. Create a long-term plan and stick to it. Avoid impulse decisions and emotional spending. Stay informed and educated. Celebrate small wins and milestones. Use the 24-hour rule to avoid impulse decisions. Create a stop-doing list to avoid time-wasting activities. Use accountability partners or mentors for support. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Stay positive and focused on your goals. That's it for Step 10. By staying disciplined and patient, you'll be achieving your long-term financial goals and building a secure financial future. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed and celebrate your success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and family to help them achieve financial freedom too. See you in the next one.